Hello, beautiful people. Today, we are stepping into a paradise of music lovers. Welcome to Manny's Music Store. Whether you are a pro musician or just starting out, this place has it all, from classic guitars and electric beats to keyboards that makes you feel like a rock star. Let's take a closer look.
We do, they're always upstairs. Yeah, so just run around the stairs. The very back floor.
So by this time, we're heading upstairs. Earphones are located upstairs, so everything is complete. Let's go. Check out this piano. Oh, imagine the energy. Oh, look at the Pro DJ disc. If you're into a recording or DJ, this is your dream corner. Check this out in Manny's Music Pro. This is located in Alexandria, Sydney. So whether you are here to buy, browse, or just get inspired, music stores like this are always worth to visit. Don't forget the Music Connect as all. Let's go! DJ. Sure. Maganda rin ito. Ito rin yan. Ganyan-ganyan yan. Hyper Magda. Ano yung naglulus natin connection dun sa ano? Sa condenser. Di ba meron tayong naglulus ng connector doon? Meron. Kasi may nakita akong may ngat-ngat yung dulo. Baka kaya pangit yung tunog.
Wala na. Tinanggal ko na yung cord na yun.
Ay, nagtanong ko doon. Baka nasa counter kita mo, doon lahat yung ano.
Let's go deactivate the tag.
Okay, are you free? I'm free. Oh, do you want to help these guys? Our customers just paid arts paid 3 times for the same order, so our customers paid arts paid 3 times.
Kaso, umano na.
Yeah, right.
249 na.
Hindi yung ibang
We're just checking for the...
earphones officer.
We don't sell that brand. Were you after that exactly, or just in-ear monitors?
Yeah, close to that one.
Close to that one.
Yep. Those are probably physically the closest. Those.
But do you have any other...
You like cheapest, yeah.
We've got 215. Those are 179.
What about that 149?
Oh,
What's
yep.
that one?
Yep.
No. Oh yeah.
Those ones? Those are 59.
This is the for hearing only, not the mic, huh? Without
There's
mic.
no microphone, just monitoring.
Yeah. That's the one I did. Alright. Oh,
There's
but
a-
the other one.
There's black as well.
149.
No, the other one, the 149, yeah?
They're just earplugs.
Earphones.
Okay.
But yeah, there's black as well.
Yeah, I'll choose this one.
White one.
Yeah. Alright. Talagang lumilit na parang maganda. Miss ko to, sobra. Can you hear that crunch? Ano nga tawag sa atin to? Kirey. Kirey sa Pilipinas. Pero Korean ano to eh, product. Hop. Try natin tong lychee. Buksan mo na yung sayo, bilis. Buksan mo yung sayo. Ininom agad, mag-cheers pa tayo. Mag-video ko puta. Cheers tayo, cheers. I'll try the lychee. Wala sa fridge pero ang lamig kasi it's winter. Cheers. Sarap din. Walang tapon. Sarap din. How is it? You like it? Sungit naman na itong kablog ko. Ayun, hindi ko sasama to sa susunod, guys.
Nakakasilaw eh.
Hindi mo ko.
I like it.
No, plastic. Bash nyo siya, guys. Feed by feed. Hop.
Nakakamiss yung pili.
Hop. Sarap mag-snacks pag nasa biyahe. Bye, guys. I got it, guys. We're waiting for the cutter. We will do unboxing. So, pumunta kami sa music store, which is andyan sa video. Bubuksan na natin ang ating very useful earphones. Diyan na si Kimberly. Hi.
Hello. Jollibee. Mas po sa mami.
Yan. Ay, ang ganda malagayan ko siya. Aesthetic. Original. See? Yammer ng box. Nakaka-yammer. What's inside the box? Wala na. Then we have this. We have extra. Ay, ang ganda. May ano siya. Panglinis at the same time pang connect if ever na hindi ka siya. Hindi nagamit ng mga music pro. Kahit hindi tayo pro. soon. Ay, galing. Ito nga, what I want. Tama, oh.
Ayun.
I wasn't wrong with my order.
Ako naman nag-search na. Yeah. Ano, sumasagot.
Hey, got it. Nala ko pang podcast. Tama, ito nga yun. I have to figure out which one is the left and right.
Daddy! Daddy! Dad! Ako, may kausap.
Ano ba to? Hirap i-figure out, ah.
Pag gano'n, nasasabit mo sa tenga.
Ganyan, di ba?
Yan. Nasasabit mo ngayon para ka nagko-concert. Hindi, baliktad.
Bakit?
Tama. Ganyan. Nasasabit mo sa tenga mo. Hello? Dad! Dad!
Hirap i-figure out, ah. Promise.
Hello? Ay, napipindot na. May kausap. Napipindot.
Baka nasa labas. Ang hirap na figure out nito.
Nasabit mo lang siya, mahal. Nakaganon siya, oh.
Hindi kasi kailangan i-shoot mo muna sa
Asan
tenga.
ka? Okay na. Nag-order ko na. Kainin niyo mama yung dinner. Wala. Nakakainis to si mami. Thank you, ah. Kakainin niyo yun.
Ay, ang hirap. Hindi
Gusto
ko
mo
ma-figure
yun.
out. Anyway,
Pansip.
I'm happy. Bye!